In the valleys of South Wales and in the hometown of NHS architect Aneurin Bevan, the Tredegar Community Task Force was established by local film company Cymru Creations in the very early stages of the COVID-19 outbreak.
It's a horrible thing that's happening, but the volunteering has been an absolute delight.
We embrace well in the valleys. We do think of our neighbours and make sure that they are looked after to the best of our ability.
We shouldn't be working in like little bubbles. Everybody needs to pull together.
People out there are now starting to get confidence and know that the task forces have been running.
The attitude that's been shown has been heartbreaking in some cases.
Vitally important we help and support the community, particularly at this time of crisis we're all facing at the moment.
Always good to do good.
Okay.
Pay it forward.
We just wanted to do something for the local community and make a difference to those people who are finding it difficult during lockdown.
I want to help my community.
What we've all managed to succeed in doing is to create a network of organisations that can support the entire borough.
But again, we wouldn't have done it without everybody's teamwork. Everybody's worked together as a team. We've all done our bits, all in different areas.
We've done everything from prescriptions, taking people to hospitals, delivering food, and just being there for people when they need us, really.
Not only have we been doing a marvellous job with the residents of Tredegar, they've also diversified, and several other surrounding towns have benefited from the task force work.
Whether it's going down to the shops, picking up our weekly shopping, whether it's picking up a prescription, whatever it happens to be, the Community Task Force has been a lifeline.
Without them, our children certainly would not have been fed.
I've definitely restored my faith in human beings and also the importance of a community fight back. Well done, Tredegar. Bevan still lives.